Ever toyed with the idea of creating your own Zen garden? These tranquil spaces, rooted in ancient Japanese tradition, are designed as a retreat for the mind, a sanctuary promoting peace, balance, and tranquility. Well, today might just be your lucky day. First things first, gather the necessary materials. To start your Zen journey, you'll need a few essentials. The heart of your Zen garden will be the sand, representing the ocean of tranquility. Adding to this, you'll need stones, symbolizing the islands of calm. A small rake will help you create soothing patterns in the sand. A shallow container will serve as the base of your garden. For a touch of life, consider small plants or figurines. Remember, simplicity is key in Zen aesthetics. Now, get ready to embark on a Zen journey. The first step in creating a Zen garden is choosing a peaceful spot. It could be a corner of your yard, a balcony, or even a tabletop. Next, set down your container. This could be a shallow dish, a wooden box, or a designated area in your yard. The third step is filling the container with sand. White sand is traditional, but feel free to get creative. Now comes the fun part, placing the stones. These are the focal points of your Zen garden. Place them strategically, considering balance and harmony. Some people even like to think of them as islands in a sea of sand. Finally, using the rake, create patterns in the sand. These can be waves, circles, or whatever your heart desires. The important thing is to let this process be a meditative, calming experience. And voila, your very own piece of tranquility. Wasn't that a soothing experience? We've journeyed through creating a Zen garden, from gathering materials to final design. Remember, your garden is your sanctuary, so feel free to experiment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening ideas. Until next time, keep gardening.